Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the preview panel. So when I click on that, if I hit play, let's see if this works. Okay, I'm going to hit play here, and that's going to give me the ability to preview without using spacebar or without coming down here and running it. I actually have a control that I can control the project from. So I can stop here, or we can play. I do like to use the home button. I like to use spacebar to start and stop. Okay, so it's basically doing the same thing. And you can see the shortcut is spacebar. You can change the shortcut to all these other options here, okay? But I highly recommend just keeping it as spacebar. You're free to do what you want, but that's what I recommend. Cache before playback. Playback will start after entire range is cached. You can do that if you want. Range, work area extended by current time, play form, current time. Frame rate is 2.97, 29.97. Skip 0, resolution is auto. Okay, full screen. I'm not going to do full screen. On spacebar stop. Okay, you can adjust these options. So that's the preview panel. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.